Hello, Learning Frameworks. Welcome to your week 4 video explanation. We're going to be moving on to the topics of metacognition, Bloom's taxonomy, and self-regulated learning. And so we're going to start thinking about thinking, which is what metacognition is. We start really thinking about how we got the habits we got, what's really going on in our brain and our thinking processes, and then we can start making changes. So we've got the readings, you got the discussion, the application, and the big thing is the midterm is going to be open from Saturday to Tuesday. And so thinking about thinking, this is a springboard video to start us thinking about our thinking. The first reading is by Linda Nielsen, and so she talks about the secret of self-regulated learning. Even in the self-paragraph, there is a strong positive impact on student achievement when you start self-regulating your learning. And what does that look like? The next article expands further where it takes the ideas of metacognition and self-regulated learning and its impact and role in studying. So this is a chapter from a book. Then we're going to go into our week 4 discussion on metacognition. Now, this is Dr. Chu out of Sanford. And he does a really great job of explaining metacognition and how that plays a role in your education and your experiences here at college. So once again, there's an original post and 2 posts. They need to be posted on 2 different days in order to receive full credit. Next is going to be your self-regulated learning reflection. And so what this is goals. And so the whole thing is they're just wishes until we put time, we put some clarifiers on them, and that's what this does. So we're going to answer the questions in depth and detail, and the more you understand what you're doing and how you will get there, the easier it's going to be to make these steps. Okay, so write 10 sentences that describe your ideal future. So you're going to be a phlebotomist, you're going to be a 3rd grade teacher, you're going to be a nuclear scientist. What will you have? Will it be a 2-story house? Will it be a car? Will it be a vacation home in Colorado? Who will be there with you? Are you going to be married? Are you going to have a life partner? Are you going to have children? Are you going to take your parents? And then specify at least 4 specific goals that will help you get there. Okay, so how are you going to get the vacation home in Colorado? How will you become a nuclear scientist? And then you're going to evaluate them. So is your goal specific? Is it measurable? Is it achievable? Relevant? And is it time bound? So the whole thing is if you just make a statement like, I'm going to get my degree, well, it's not very specific. What degree are you going to get? Where are you going to get it? What time are you going to have it done? It makes a difference if you're going to be on the 4-year plan or the 10-year plan. So by the end of fall 2021, I will have applied to the University of Arizona for a degree in nuclear physics, something along those lines, so that in fall of 2021, you will know if you have or have not reached that. So you'll evaluate the goals you have, then you're going to rewrite them, and I will be looking for, are they specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound? Discuss strategies that have worked in the past and what will you try in the future. Describe obstacles. How are you going to overcome those obstacles? And it could be that your house is always full of people and your plan is to come up to the library and to study in a study room. Or it may be like you're going to get up 30 minutes earlier and exercise. However you get this done, and then how can you monitor it? How you find out if you've gotten off track, and then reflect back what you've learned. So I'm looking for all 10 steps, and once again, be specific and dive deep on this. And then next is going to be your midterm, and it's going to go over all the materials that we have covered. until from week 1 through week 4. So you can see it's locked and you won't have access until November 14th, and then you'll have it through November 17th in order to take it. So that is your week 4 explanation, and I look forward to seeing your comments on metacognition in the discussion board.